Hello and welcome, it's KB here. So if you use Windows subsystem for Android in Windows 11, then I have a good news for you. There is a huge update to it. With this update, it gets many new features like package verification, where the antivirus will scan the APK file before you install them. Now you can assign certain amount of RAM to it. It also supports Android App Link, which basically means if you click on a TikTok link and you have a TikTok installed, it will open that link in TikTok app. Linux kernel is also updated. Now it should be more reliable and it should perform better with this update. As of me making this video, this version of WSA is only available to Windows Insider program. So if you're in Windows Insider program, you should be able to get this update. But if you're not, then you can actually join a WSA's preview program. Click on this link and it will take you to here and sign up for the preview program. One of the biggest new feature in this update is ability to allocate certain amount of RAM to it. By default, it assigns 6 GB of RAM, but you can go as low as 2 GB. So we have three presets here: low, default, and high. So in my opinion, 6 GB, the default option, is the best. I have 32 GB of RAM in my system, so I can also select the high profile, which is 16 GB, but it will take half of my PC's RAM. Or maybe you want to have 5 GB, 4 GB, or 8 GB. You can click on custom and assign whatever amount of RAM you want to give this to. Another huge feature is block installation of malicious apps. So basically this feature, if you have this feature turned on, which will be turned on by default when you install this, it will scan any APK file that you are installing. If the app is malicious or contains virus or anything like that, then it will block that app from installing. For security, this is a huge update. And yeah, that's it. I will actually make another tutorial on this because let me show you this. I have a Google Play Store installed here. And there is a new method to install a Google Play Store. So maybe next video is going to be about how to install Google Play Store in Windows 11. The new method, yeah. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment. Yeah, that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.